What is up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today with a new one, but an oldie. I am finally back behind the wheel of the silver 2006 Audi A6 Avant Quattro. Yes, if you go back a couple of years on my channel, you'll see two pretty shady videos. Now, all my videos are shady, we know that. But you'll see some really shady videos of where we picked up this Audi. My brother, picked up this Audi for like $4,000 or $4,900, something like that. Yeah, I think we got it at $49,000. Anyway, spectacular car. Sold it to a friend, and he has enjoyed it now for about, I think it's been about 4 years. If not, it's been real close. 3.5, definitely close to 4. I sold it to him with $155,000. It has, 184 now. It's not as pristine as it used to be. Part of the reason is our friend lived in downtown Chattanooga, and anybody that lives in the historic district of downtown Chattanooga does not get the privilege of garage parking. You have the privilege of street outdoor parking, which totally sucks. Especially for a car that was as beautiful as this one was. But this one can be again, I promise. But, I mean, this baby, it cruises. I know it's got some warning lights on. I sold it with an airbag light on. And I see it's still glowing. But I see a tire pressure monitor and a service tire light has popped up. Probably time to rotate the tires. But yeah, we got this thing back. He bought a new little Volkswagen, what are those things, Tiguan's, and his wife drives the Volvo SUV. So this was a third vehicle for about 6 months, and then he finally just said, hey, I'm gonna sell it, you guys want to buy it back? We picked it up for $3,700. And man, I'm telling you, that's a deal, because he has spent thousands of dollars in work on this car at the Audi dealership. Now, why he took it to the Audi dealership is beyond me. I cannot understand that at all. But, yeah, I mean, it just came out of Audi service 2 weeks ago, $1,900 worth. $1,900. It's got fairly new. When we sold it, I put brand new tires on it, and he replaced them about 6 months ago. He put some Hancooks on it, and they're a pretty nice little tire. Ride good. The car still runs. It just shifts beautifully. It's going to need some detail work, just due to the fact it has been street parked for the past few years. It's going to need the wheels, or those 10-spoke, and I'll get some exterior footage here in a minute. I'm about to go run it through a damn car wash. I think it deserves one. Uh-oh, motorcycle popo. Man, I sure am glad they're just through with this. This was under construction the last time I was up here late last year, and it is finally finished. 3 lanes, wow. But yeah, this old girl just rides and drives so good. It's got new valve cover gaskets. It's got a new fuel pump. It's got a new one of the computer modules was just recently replaced. It's still leaking a little oil at the timing belt, at the timing chain cover, which is on the back side of the engine up against the firewall. And you know what? It's an engine out job. Even though there's a dude on YouTube that does a video of him doing it himself, my back broke just watching the video. I mean, I had to take 3 pain pills just to watch the video. So, you know, no, we will not be attempting that job. Hell no. But I think the leak is fairly manageable. We got some new power steering hoses, other multiple hoses and belts. But yeah, man, this nav for 2006, this nav is pimping. I mean, it shows you hotels, food, banks. That was pretty good for 2006. Cold AC. I mean, it's freezing. But I mean, I'm running 70 miles an hour, and this thing is just, other than my big ass mouth, it is whisper quiet. I gotta turn this fan down. Damn fan. I mean, it has got cold in here. I'm gonna pull off up here and get a car wash real quick. I'll return. Get her a car wash. We'll clean her up a little bit, see what she looks like. She's gonna need a full detail. Full detail. But once I get through this wash, I'll get out and do a little walk around for you guys. No, actually, when I get done with this wash, I'm gonna do a pull on the interstate up the on-ramp, and then I'm gonna do a walk around last. Let's give her a little tickle. Oh man. She's still got pull and smooth as silk. 185,000 miles. This thing, man, it's a champ. But it should be, because the freaking Carfax on this car is insane. Now, it's had a few owners. I guess Mike was the 4th owner. And I'm talking not counting us, and not counting us this time, because, you know, we are a dealer. So Mike was the 4th owner, but the Carfax is just loaded with service history. I want to say like 40 or 50 entries on there. Plus all the receipts. We got a glove box full of receipts for all he's done to it. But, oh darn, I was hoping I'd get to really gun it. So smooth. Alright, so we got a little freeway footage. I'm going to end this with a little walk around. Alright, let's get a walk around of this puppy. And I thought I'd do a start up. No, the hood's open. There she is. Man, she runs so good. Still. A lot of new parts under the hood here. Intake, power steering related. Valve cover gaskets, I mean, not water pump, coolant service and hoses. I'm going to have to do the headlights. They have crudded up on me. Need to wet sand them. And she's picked up a few scratches here and there. Again, she's been in the street. No one has detailed the wheels. Got lots of brake dust there. But overall, still looking pretty good. Yeah, we got a lot of brake dust. New tires, Hancooks, Ventus, so those are pretty good. We do have some scratches going on here on the rear bumper that were not there. Let's see if the power hatch still works. Oh, it does. Gotta kind of help it along. Got a new wiper arm here somewhere. Okay, that's the new one. No, that's the broken one, and here's the new one. Got to put it on. This thing has a huge cargo area. Not sure what we're going to do with her yet. May hang on to her a while, may sell her. Don't know yet. Someone inquire if they're interested. That was just starting to crack when we sold it 4 years ago. I see it's gotten a little worse, but not too bad. The window switches have worn, which is new. So yeah, that's her. She looks pretty good. Very impressed. Very impressed. So anyway, that's the 06 Audi A6 Avant Quattro wagon. If anybody's interested in this whole car, hit me up in the messages down there. Like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate it. And we'll see y'all next time. Peace.